Hello everyone! This video is to demonstrate to you what Noico 80mm sound deadening material is. Essentially, it is a sound deadening solution that eliminates vibrations and rattle of metal parts of your car. Let's see how it works. Here's a piece of metal like the one that's in your car. This is how it rattles. And this is how it rattles after we installed Noico material to it. What a difference! Noico isolates the interior of your car from external noise, heat and cold down to a certain level. The purpose of this material is that everyone can soundproof or do a restoration of a car within a very limited budget. Here's a pack. It's a moderate-sized brownish box made of pretty dense cardboard with reliable locking. The specifications indicated on the label: thickness is 80mm and 36 square feet of total coverage, 9 sheets per box. The box has some weight to it given its 36 square feet of material. This amount is enough to treat the entire floor and a firewall, or all 4 doors of a big sedan or SUV. Now let's open the box. When we open the lid of a box, this is how it opens. There is a user manual with all the installation details and necessary information about the material. There is 9 such sheets in a box. Now we put gloves on for our hand protection. We'll take the whole pile out. This is what a complete pack looks like. It's 9 sheets neatly folded, so the box is not very bulky. Let's take a closer look at the deadening mat itself. Here we go. We've got foil on top, self-adhesive butyl layer, and protective film. This material has a weight of 0.7 pounds to 1 square foot. This weight provides an ultimate effect compared to other products of similar thickness. Noico has some strong adhesion. Let's see how sticky it is. Really gluey. This material is designed to use within a temperature range all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It means that it will not melt nor fall off at any given weather conditions, heat or cold, and it doesn't really smell. No odor and 100% safe for a car application. On top of the mat, you can see the special foil dimples that work as an indicator showing which spot is installed properly, and the one that needs more pressing. This simple feature allows for 100% correct installation. Let's see how it works. Here you can clearly see the difference. This is the original state, and this is after proper pressing. The difference is obvious. The layout of graphics on the other side of the mat allows for precise cutting. Thickness of deadening mat is 80mm, which is quite a lot, and actually more than offered by some class rivals. A thicker material means better effect and higher results. It is very easy to trim the deadener with aid of an office knife or a pair of household scissors. Cuts very easy. It was our pleasure to show you what is inside of Noico 80mm 36 square foot box. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.